Well, we're back up here at Carmine's Country Corner. We've been doing this every Sunday for going on May, I think it's going to be 6 years that we've been doing this. And Bob has been with us pretty much from the get-go.
Yeah.
You've done a lot of these
When
shows.
you had your surgery.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's
When
when it started.
when I had my hands worked on, and it was funny. A little side note: after the operation, I had both my hands, that carpal tunnel thing they call, worked on at the same time. And don't ever do that. Just do one at a time because my wife had to do a lot of work after I did that. But anyway, when I was out of the operation and they woke me up, it was just like a one-day thing. And there were two doctors standing by my bed. One was on a computer, and the gentleman that did the operation was standing there. And somehow, when I woke up, I was as alert as I could be. I didn't go through I knew where I was. I knew what I'd just done. So I said, "Doc, how did it go?" I'm all upbeat, hands all bandaged. He said it went great. He said it was textbook. Everything is. We expect 100%, and he was right. They're perfect. So I asked him, I said, will I be able to play piano? And the guy sitting down, I don't know what he was doing, blurted out, I don't see why not. And I said to him, well, that's great because I can never play it before. and that's an old musician's joke from years ago. And they laughed, and I said to him, I said, you've never heard that? They said, no one's ever said that to us. And I said, you guys, professor, you work on hands, and you never heard that one? I was beginning to wonder, what I got myself into here. But anyway, they were great doctors and everything. So that was a long-winded answer to what Bob was saying was, when I got my hands hurt, I could not play guitar for almost 6 months. I couldn't even pick it up. And he was my savior. Him and, I can't ever think of his name.
Al Bonham.
Al Bonham, another great guitar player from Canada. And they stepped up, and we never missed a show, did we?
Don't think so.
No, I showed up with my hands bandaged, and I would talk a little, and then they'd play, and we kept the show going that whole time I was out of commission. But we're still having a good time. Anyway, I got a bunch of people here tonight. I'm not going to know their names, a whole bunch of them. I know Jack and, was it Eileen? Did I get that one right? Okay, I'm batting so far. I'm going to go with the ones I know. Bob Pelly, my good friend. You see? I'm not that bad. And then we got Joe and Linda McGinnis. Now, the people from North Carolina, and these are the sweetest people you're ever going to know. Joe's older brother, Don McGinnis, who's my good friend and friend of the families. We all love the McGinnises. I go every year in August, and I go stay with him in his house for 3 or 4 days, and we play music. And these lovely people, I got to play with. You said at Don's house, right, honey? It was actually at Don's house. And they came over, and we played, and so now they came all the way to California, and so we got to go visit Carmine at Carmine's Country Corner, and here they are.
Yeah.
And I'm honored that you're here.
We got a big group today.
So now I am going to ask you, what were your names again? What was your name? Ray and Mike. Now that's not that tough, Mike. I should have remembered that one.
Oak Island.
Yeah. So anyway, we got Joe McGinnis is going to get up, do some stuff. I got Bob Pelly. He's going to do a great song by Merle Haggard. And if any of you other people sing or do anything and want to give this a shot, the stage is yours. I'm not going to tell you no. So that's what we're doing. Marina's just showed up. My sister-in-law. My sister Cindy's here. My sister Leah, my lovely wife Susie. I got people in the back that I don't know names, but thanks for coming. We love you all. So this only goes for about an hour, and then we wrap it up. But thanks for coming. We appreciate it. Bob, what do you got?
Let's do Singing the Blues in E. Yeah.
One, two, well.
I never felt more like singing the blues, 'cause I never thought that I'd ever lose your love, babe. Why Thank you, folks. And all of you at home. Thanks.
I was going to mention something else and I forgot what it was, but it'll come to me in a couple of songs. We'll keep this thing going. What do you got, Swan?
Oh.
You know, Gary Swan now is with the association. Remember that band? Well, he's their keyboard player. And we are honored to have him on stage with us. Up till a few months ago, I didn't care. But now that he's with the association, it's a different deal.
I still think you little people every now and then. As I'm leaving the hotel in my limousine. Here's a Vince Gill tune. You could have given me face of an angel, pretty eyes that shine. I lie awake at night, wishing you were mine. Standing here open, biggest heartache in town. Whenever you come around, I feel relief, and I lose my breath. Though I tried so hard, but the words won't come. I'm so scared of death. When you smile, that smile will turn upside down. Whenever you come around, I feel so helpless. I feel just like a kid. What is it about you makes me keep my feelings hid? Tried to tell you, but the words can't be found. Whenever you come around, I get weak, and I lose my breath. Though I try so hard, but the word won't come. I'm so scared to death. When you smile, that smile will turn upside down. Whenever you come around. Oh, I could weak at the knees, and I lose my breath. Though I try so hard, but the words won't come. I'm so scared to death. When you smile, that smile will turn upside down. Whenever you come around, when you smile, that smile will turn upside down. Whenever you come around, whenever you come around.
Let it ring, boys!
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know what you're listening to.
In a couple of minutes, we're going to get my buddy Bob Pelly up here and do a Merle Haggard song. You want to do one quick, Bob, before we get
Sure.
Pelly up here?
Let's do Lay Down Sally.
I love that song.
And in the middle of the song, you guys trade fours.
Okay. Whatever that is,
We'll
we're
get
going
that
to do.
together. Yeah, okay.
One, G, oh, but G, oh, G.
Marcy Levy wrote this. Local girl.
There is nothing that is wrong with wanting you to stay here with me. I know you've got somewhere to go, but you can lay your worries down and stay with me. And don't you ever leave. Lay down, Sally, and rest here in my arms. Don't you think you want someone to talk to? Lay down, Sally, don't need to leave so soon. I've been crying all night long just to talk to you. The sun ain't clear on the rise. We still got the moon and stars above. Underneath the velvet skies, love is all that matters. Won't you stay with me? And if you ever leave, lay down, Sally, and rest here in my arms. Don't you think you want someone to talk to? Lay down, Sally, there's no need to leave so soon. I've been crying all night long just to talk to you. Long to see the morning light covering your face so dreamily. So don't you go and say goodbye. You can make yourself at home and stay with me. And if you ever leave, lay down, Sally, and rest here in my arms. Don't you think you want someone to talk to? Lay down, Sally, there's no need to leave so soon. I've been crying all night long just to talk to you. One more time. Lay down, Sally, and rest here in my arms. Don't you think you want someone to talk to? Lay down, Sally, there's no need to leave so soon. I've been crying all night long just to talk to you, just to talk to you, just to talk to you. Save it. Thank you.
Bob? Where'd Bob go? Oh, there he is. Come on up. Hey, take a chair with you. Oh, no, you want to use my stool? No, you can use my stool. Ladies and gentlemen, I've known this guy here since, this young man since 1964. We met,
Only 26.
I know that. 26 many times over again.
I was watching the Beatles on TV.
Yes.
Possibly then, you know.
Yep.
My life changed.
Yeah, you guys are some old dudes.
All right, so I'm gonna let Bob have my mic and the stool, and we're gonna have some fun with this Merle Haggard song. Hold on. Hey, Joe McGinnis, get ready. You're next.
Go back to the dressing room and make sure he's got his bow tie straight. It seemed like that. I thought Bob was kind of.
What do we got? Turn everything up and yell into that mic.
He said you was ugly, Jonathan. What? He said you was ugly.
Okay, he's not a homosexual either.
Okay, that's right.
Damn right. How would we know? How would we know?
How do you know?
We wouldn't know.
G, G?
Yeah.
You start with the five?
No, it's indeed.
D.
So it's a D, okay, start with the.
Start with 5, 4, and
Okay, you got it.
what is the first chord?
It's a 5, 4, then a 1. A, G, D.
You know where it is.
Go and say it. It's a five.
Wait. Yeah.
Wished I was down. I'm so goodbye. Man who came
You know, I'd have these guys do more, but it's like, it's only an hour show. So, Bob, come back. Next week you'll do 2 or 3, you know, we'll do more. How about a hand for Pelly? My good friend for over 60 years. We're gonna do one and then we're gonna get Joe up. Joe, you put your hat on.
I just found it.
Wait a minute. You didn't have it on all day and I thought I was looking a little better than you. But now you got a hat on. Well, there goes that. Okay.
He looks the part now.
Now, yeah, now, you know, now he's the guy. Okay, you just became the guy.
Told me to take off my fishing hat.
Oh, yeah. Speaking of fishing hats, a few weeks ago you might have heard me mention here that I was working on this big 38-foot boat. The guy took up my whole side of my building, and that belonged to Joe McGinnis. That was his boat.
Hey, we took it out last summer.
How was it?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Did it run good? It's a good boat.
I
Beautiful.
loved it.
I heard somebody might be interested in it.
2, 3, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Well, good luck on that. Hope it works. Okay, Bob, you want to do it? You want to do another? Go ahead.
Let's do Today I Started Loving You.
Let's do it. And then we'll get him up, and then you.
Gee, I just don't know anymore, folks. I could announce one song and sing another one. I've been doing that lately.
Oh God, me too. I hate it.
It is, geez.
Get with Kia, man. You know.
Yeah. Today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you long enough to let my heartache bend. But today I started loving you again. What a fool I was, thinking I'd get by with only these few million tears I've cried. I should have known the words yet to come. And crying time for me had just begun. I bet today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heartache melt. Today I started loving you again. he's scared.
Hang on, Joe.
We're gonna have a.
New act going on there. You help me say it.
John's gonna sing a song, and he hadn't sang since his 3 platinum albums that he's done.
You guys remember when Willie Nelson was on that? He was on that boat with Julio Iglesias, and he gets off the boat and he goes to his record company. He says, "Man, you guys gotta sign this guy Julio Iglesias." They said, "Willie, we'd love to sign him, but you know he's already got a label, sells millions and millions of records." Willie had no idea who he was. I don't know. I thought it was funny.
It's a C.
Funny to Julio.
I don't know why, but this is a friend of mine's dad. He wrote this song. Ready? I've got this never-ending love for you. From now on, that's all I wanna do. From the first time we met, I knew I'd seen this never-ending song of love for you. I've got this never-ending love for you. From now on, that's all I wanna do. From the first time we met, I knew I'd sing this never-ending song of love for you. Never understand the being alone. Love one another, live for each other from now on. Feels so good I can hardly stand it. Never-ending love for you. From now on, that's all I wanna do. First time we met, I knew I'd sing this never-ending song of love for you. After all this time of being alone, love one another, take care of each other from now on. Feels so good I can hardly stand it. Never-ending love for you. From now on, that's all I wanna do. First time we met, I knew sing this never-ending song of love for you.
How about that?
We should do it last week, but we never got around to it.
You know what? I thought it went to the 2 then, but it doesn't. It just goes back to the 4.
He just made that up in his head like jazz.
That's the first. He's been doing this gig with us almost since, about a year after. Jerry left after about a year and a half. He's been here at least 4 years doing it. First time I ever heard him sing.
But Jerry left his drums.
He did. These drums belong to Jerry McWhorter, our first drummer.
Not anymore.
Almost 6 years ago, but started the gig. He said, I can't do it anymore. I said, well, I'll get a replacement. So he left and never came back and left his drum set.
That's good.
And I'm afraid to call him because he might want me to pay for him. So I haven't talked to him in 5 years. He's my very close friend. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, Joe McGinnis, come on up. I almost forgot. Now, did you want a chair? You want to use my stool? Stay right there. I'm going to go over here.
It's been a long time, Carmen.
It has.
I gotta adjust this a
But
little
we did
bit.
it for a
How's
long
that?
time, too, didn't
We did it for
we?
a
We did it
long
for a lot
time.
of years.
All right, get in the key of E. Papa top again. Papa top again.
to a joke I heard today from a woman who said she was through, then calmly walked away. Tried to smile and did a while, but it seemed so out of place. Did you ever hear of a clown with teardrops streaming down his face? Papa Top again. I just got time for one more round. Set him up, my friend. And I'll be gone, and you can let some other fool sit down. Play it, Carmen. To be is misery, and here I'm wasting time for a row of fools on a row of stools is not what's on my mind. But then you see, her leaving me was not what I prefer. So it's either here, drinking beer, or home remembering her. Papa Top again. I just got time for one more round. Set 'em up, my friend. And I'll be gone, and you can let some other fool sit down. Well, that's what we get for not rehearsing. Oh, thank you very much.
What else you got?
Let's do, in the corner of my mind, there's a jukebox. Alabama song. Key of A. In the corner of my mind, there's a jukebox. It's playing all our favorite memories. One by one, they take me back to the days when you were mine. And I can't stop this jukebox in my mind. I don't need any quarters, I don't need any dimes. You filled me up forever when you said goodbye. How I love those old melodies, they were meant to ease the pain. But the memories that they're playing now are driving me insane. In the corner of my mind, there's a jukebox. It's playing all our favorite memories. One by one, they take me back to the days when you were mine. And I can't stop this jukebox in my mind. How I love those old melodies, they were meant to ease the pain. But the memories that they're playing now
I love
That's
that
all I
hat.
got, man.
No, but that's a lot.
It was fun. Thank you
Hey,
very
wait,
much.
Wait, stay right there. On three, everybody listen. On three, I want everybody to yell out, "We love you, Don McGinnis and Kathy." All right? So
On
ready?
three.
On three. 1, 2, 3.
We love you, Don and Kathy McGinnis.
Kathy.
Uh,
I threw a wife in there.
and he's watching right now. Right now. Hello, Don.
Is he watching?
Say hi to Brent.
Is he watching?
He's watching right now.
Hey Don, if you are watching, tell all the boys and everybody, Sue and I send our love, and we're probably going to see him in August if the good Lord, permits. We're still going.
Turn them lights off.
How much time we got? We got 15 minutes. Bob, do a song if you want to.
Let's do,
Talk about the tail.
let's do Turn Around the Tail. All right.
Crying out loud. What a good suggestion.
Now, on one of the solos is going to stop before you think it's on. I'll start singing. I've got it.
Key are you gonna got?
D.
We'll do whatever you want.
Here we go.
Key D.
I've got a tiger by the tail, it's plain to see. I won't be much when you get through with me. Yes, I'm losing weight and turning light of hair. And it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. I thought the day I met you, you were meek as a lamb. Just the kind that fit my dreams and plans. But now the pace we're living takes the wind from our sails, and it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. I've got a tiger by the tail, it's plain to see. I won't be much when you get through with me. Yes, I'm losing weight and turning light pale. And it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. Come on. Thank you. Well, every night you drag me where the bright lights are found. There ain't no way to slow you down. And I'm just about as helpless as a leaf in a gale. And it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. I've got a tiger by the tail, it's plain to see. I won't be much when you get through with me. Yes, I'm losing weight and turning mighty pale. And it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. And it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. Good choice, Gary. Thank you.
Good job.
Love this
All
song.
right, so we got about 10 minutes, maybe 12 minutes left. Want to do another one, Gary? Go ahead. Hey, thanks for watching Carmine's Country Corner. We had a great day today. We had about maybe 10, 15 people. We don't usually get that many people up here because we just don't. But anyway, tell your friends about the show and push like and share if you're watching it on Facebook and push subscribe if you're watching it on YouTube. And so we appreciate, we got a lot of support out there. We have a lot of people to watch every week. And they write a lot of nice comments. We really enjoy doing this. And we do it for the love of it. This is obviously not a big money maker for any of us. But we don't care about that. John makes a lot of money not doing this. So, But anyway, and John, you sang great.
That's why I moved to Sunland. I heard there was no work there.
I love That's a great line. He said that's why I moved to Sunland. I heard there was no work there. That's a good line. Okay, what do we got?
Just call me lonesome.
You, call me
Yeah.
Lonesome. I love that song.
This time I'll finish it with the opening line.
We start on A, right?
What is the opening line you want?
I'm gonna make this whole song up in my head now. Could you cut my mic down and call mine? I know he did.
Let's have a touch of it.
You rat face, he touched it. Our music director is giving us instructions.
It's in the key of G, right?
With the key of T.
Dog, okay.
So if you start
Okay, let's
on
go.
One,
I'm ready.
two, just call me lonesome, heartbroken and so. I ain't got no one since you've been gone. You call me baby, I've got a new name. Don't need my old one.
said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried. And it made a big impression on me, although I was a barefoot kid. They say he got religion at the end, and I'm glad that he did. Now Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town, and I thought he was a hero. Used to follow Clayton around. Now I often wonder why Clayton, he seemed so good to me, and he never took his guitar, made it down to Tennessee. And my daddy said he drank a lot, and I could never understand. I knew he used to pick up in Ohio with a 5-piece band. Clayton used to tell me, son, you better throw that old guitar away, 'cause there ain't no money in it. It leads you to an early grave. Somebody play it. And I guess if I'd admit it, old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I could see him half stoned, picking out the lovesick blues. Now when Clayton died, I made him a promise. I said I'm gonna carry on somehow, and I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. And I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Nobody ever knew it, but I went up in the woods and I cried. I know there's a lot of big preachers and they know a lot more than I do. And it could be that the good Lord likes a little picking too. Thank you guys. Hey, thank all you guys for showing up. We're gonna have Gary Swan close out the show with one more song. Somebody's giving me the double wave. I love that. No one ever does that around here.
Oh, you gotta stop.
Anyway, thank you all for coming. This was really a lot of fun. So thank you guys for showing up. Okay, Swan, close the show. See you next week, and don't be late.
Gee. Well, it's one for the money, one for the show. You get ready now, go. Everybody drummer or solo? What are you gonna do?
So well you couldn't
Thank
hear.
you.